So what is the slope formula? The slope formula is m, which stands for slope, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where you are given two coordinate points. We'll call them x1, y1, and x2, y2. So what is this? Well, if you give 2 points, let's say 1, 2 and 7, 10, what happens when we plug in these numbers into this formula? We'll take a look. This is how far up and down your first number is, and this is how far up and down your second number is. So you went from 2 up to 10 up. Well, if you plug in these numbers here, this would be your y2, your y1 from your second point, x1 from your second point. This will be your x1 and your x2, y2. Oh. This is your x1 and your y1 from your first point, and this is your x2 and y2 from your second point. So y2 will be your y-coordinate of your second point, which is 10, minus your y-coordinate from your first point, which is 2. When you subtract them, you end up with 8, which is just to say you went 8 from 2 to 10. Your horizontal change, side to side, on either number is the 1 and the 7. You can see you went from 1 to 7 with a change of 6, but when we plug it into the formula, that's what we should get. This is your x-coordinate from your second point, which is 7, minus your x-coordinate from your first point, which is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6, which is to say you went up 8 and over 6. Okay, when you reduce it, you end up with 4/3, which we say is our slope in simplest form. So the slope formula takes 2 points and it plugs in the 4 coordinates like so, and you end up with a fraction, which is your rise over your run, which is your slope.